We are looking at not the best of weather as of late, but it's not been terrible out there. We have had some showers around occasionally, some isolated thunderstorms, but they've been blowing through pretty quickly at around 15 miles an hour. You can see not much of a sunset tonight either from our tower cam located in the beautiful downtown Sarasota. And as far as pictures go, well, they were few and far between. Scattered storms expected again on Friday. They will be the variety that we've seen today, moving fast from the Gulf toward the east. Unfortunately, that west wind will continue. And as most of you have heard, the red tide is fairly significant from Venice southward into Charlotte counties, causing all sorts of problems there because that west wind brings all the harmful effects on shore. A little drier on Saturday, still some showers around, but not as many. And then I think a more active day on Sunday. At least that's what it looks like right now. Models getting a handle on another weak frontal system coming down closer to us. As far as those pictures go, Cindy Desmond getting this one. You can see those clouds off in the distance with a few showers, some high clouds around. And that's what we'll see tomorrow. Mainly some high to mid-level clouds occasionally and some showers pushing in as well. Starting to redevelop again over Manatee County, Longboat Key on into Bayshore Gardens, kind of training over the same area. And these rain showers are pretty heavy rain makers. Not a lot of lightning right now. And one cell off of Siesta Key again pushing off to the northeast. And the height on these storms, you have to get the yellows up near 30,000 feet to really start to see the lightning. So it's got a ways to go. But I wouldn't be too surprised to see 1 or 2 lightning strikes coming out of these cells overnight. Rainfall amounts varied quite a bit from just 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch in Bradenton, 1/10 there near Venice. Northport, not as much rainfall today, but south near Rotunda, they had over 1.5 inches of rain. The atmosphere is really juiced up, and that's the reason why the showers that will develop will produce some pretty heavy rain, bringing visibilities down somewhat, especially on the roadways there of I-75. But all this moisture is going to consolidate and head off toward the northeast with this low pressure area that's developing. Kind of unusual to see this scenario played out in July, but it is a low pressure center that's going to track up the Carolina coast, leaving behind this little line of low pressure. And then another frontal boundary is going to make its way down on Sunday. And this front will also cause some forcing to occur, and we'll see a little bit better chance for some showers and some storms on Sunday. So keep that in mind. Currently, it's warm and muggy, 88. That's what it feels like. It's 80 degrees. We have some clouds around. The dew point is extremely high at 77. The high today was right at the average. The low this morning was 1 degree above it. And we did get some rain at the airport. The rain bucket picked up 1.58 inches of rain. And as far as temperatures go, it's hot in Dallas. It's going to be hot there again tomorrow, 107. And we've had some big storms and tornadoes blow up through parts of Iowa tonight associated with that low pressure system that's causing some problems there in the central U.S. So for boaters, winds will be out of the southwest at 10 to 15 knots. Seas will be 2 to 3 feet and a moderate chop. So winds will be a little stronger. There could even be some rip currents developing tomorrow along the area beaches. So keep that in mind. Rain chances dropping on Saturday, 50% for scattered storm tomorrow, a little higher on Sunday. And then we stay with a pretty good chance for showers and storms through the work week next week.